International news. US shutdowns over 200 illegal online pharmacies tied to India-based TCO. Sports news. T20 World Cup. India starts on a winning note, but there could be challenges ahead. Weather news. The max temperature will be around 31 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature will be around 20 degrees Celsius.